Mahar Thai sweet meatball. Ingredients: 3 coriander, cilantro, roots, finely chopped, see recipe notes. 3 garlic cloves, peeled. 1 teaspoon white peppercorns. 3 Thai shallots, or 1 regular shallot, peeled and finely sliced, optional. 250 grams, 9 ounces minced, ground, pork, or mixture of minced, ground, pork and minced, ground, prawns. 2 tablespoons nong pla, fish sauce. 4 tablespoons palm sugar. 1 tablespoon roasted peanuts, smashed to serve. 1 pineapple, trimmed, cored, sliced and cut into bite-sized pieces. 2 4 oranges, peeled and sliced fairly thickly. 1 long red chilli, deseeded and finely sliced. A handful of fresh coriander, cilantro, leaves. Directions: using a pestle and mortar, pound the coriander root, garlic and peppercorns together to form a paste. In a wok or a frying pan, skillet, heat the oil and cook the paste for a couple of minutes until fragrant. Add the shallots, if using, and stir them into the paste for 30 seconds or so to combine. Add the pork, or pork and prawns, and stir it into the paste until well incorporated. Add the nong pla and palm sugar, stirring and frying until the meat is cooked. You're looking to achieve a texture akin to a pork jam. If you think it needs more palm sugar, add it, more nong pla, the same. You want a salty, sweet, sticky mass. Add the peanuts, and continue to cook until it becomes quite thick, like fudge. Remove from the heat, and let the mixture cool completely. You can do all this well ahead of time, even the day before you want to serve it, just keep it refrigerated once cooled. You can also keep the fruit slices refrigerated for ease. Just before serving, complete the dish. Roll the pork mixture into balls of appropriate size to fit on the pineapple and orange pieces. Then garnish with a sliver of chili and a coriander leaf.